Hi friends, in this video I am going to tell you if you are getting an error like there is a problem resetting your PC or an error like there is a problem refreshing your PC. If you are getting this kind of error, then in this video I am going to tell you the method which can be helpful to resolve you this error. If any of this method proved helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. So the first method is run the system checker. For that, go to the command prompt and run it as administrator. Once you run the command prompt as administrator, then type this command sfc/scan now. Okay, so here we done a mistake. I put the scan now as a small cap, so we have to pass the scan now as a capital form. So type sfc/capital scan now in this form and execute it. So it will start a system scan. So you will get this format like this, like how the scanning is going on in your system, and it will give you the percentage. Also wait till it not get 100%. So once it get 100%, you will get a screen like this, and after that just type exit and try to restart your system and check if you are still getting this error or not. Now the second method is use the system restore point. For that, type restore and open this and then go to system restore. Now follow the steps here and choose the restore point whichever you want. So go to the last restore point before the latest update, like that. Here I am going to Visual C++ and then press next. So here once you go and press finish, this will restore your system to that point. Then again restart and check if you're still getting that error or not. So it will automatically restart anyway when you go to restore, and check if you're still getting that error or not. So the next method is change the system and software registry. For that, again run the command prompt as administrator, and you have to type these three commands one by one. So I am copying the first command here and will type it here in the command prompt. Press enter. After that, again go to notepad and type this command. This will change the system registry. And then type this command and this will change the software registry. So these are the three commands which you have to execute one by one. And after that, once you execute it completely, type exit and then again go and restart your system. Once you restart your system, then check if you're still getting that resetting error or not. Now the fourth method is disable the regent.c.exe file. For that, type this command in the command prompt. You have to run command prompt as administrator again and type this command and execute it. It will take some time and this will disable the regent.exe file. Then again type this command to enable the regentc.exe file in your system. Once you execute it, it will take some time. Once it will execute completely, you will get a message like this. Now type exit and come out of the command prompt and again go and restart your system. And then check if you're still getting that error or not. The last method is refresh your window from the window defender. For that, go to the settings and go to the update and security and then go to window securities. Here open the window security option and this new window will get open. Now you have to go to device performance and health and then scroll down and go to fresh start. Click on additional info and then click on this button get started, and this will start your system with a clean and up-to-date installation of Windows. So it will remove all of your files and it will again install your system with the files and a software which comes initially in your Windows. So once you click on fresh start, follow the steps which are coming, and then check after the reinstallation of window that you are still getting the error or not. So these are all methods which can help you to resolve this resetting error of the window in your system. If any of this method help you, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.